We are now joined by the former Deputy Chief Minister, Dr. C. N. Ashwath Narayan. Sir, your own party MLA, Basangoda Patil Yatnal, has made a stunning allegation that Vijayendra is holding this Padayatra at the behest of DK Shivakumar, just so that Siddaramaiah can step down as CM and DK can become the next Chief Minister.
I don't know, you should ask Mr. Basuraj Goda Patil Yatnal itself. I don't know in what context. But here the party is very clear that we need to expose, it has been completely already exposed, the Congress government in the state of Karnataka has been completely exposed, it is completely corrupt, lawless, there is no governance, no development. Entirely it is failed and it is very clearly reflected. So it goes without saying the Congress has failed in all aspects. So to highlight and to make it more politically awareness, how the Congress government didn't allow us to discuss with regard to the Muda in the floor of the house, with regard to the dengue, various issues we are not allowed to discuss, not given much time. So we had even asked for the extension of time for the session, since it was not given and Muda was not discussed on the floor of house. Now we are trying to discuss among the people. We are trying to straight away taking it to the people. So straight away by Padayatra from Bengaluru to Mysore.
But sir, is there an infighting within BJP with respect to Basangoda Patil Yatnal, and how is the BJP planning to tackle him?
Ultimately, we are completely, whatever might be, each leader having his own way of doing things against the Congress government, exposing the Congress government. Anyhow, everybody is working for exposing the Congress government, and criticizing each other is not fair in a public domain. It is left to them, but I am nobody to tell them, but it's not fair. But anyhow, all of us are united in the fight against the probity in public life, and whoever it might be corrupt, let it be anybody corrupt person, should face the music, they should be punished, and especially the Congress government is completely thick-skinned. They are not trying to be ethical, they are not trying to be moral, they are not trying to be accountable, credible, efficient, nothing. They are completely shameless. What may come, we want to just stick on to power. This is the attitude of the Congress party. Where is Rahul Gandhi? Where is Rahul Gandhi? Where are their leaders? What ethics? What are they speaking? Chakravyuha, Padma Yuva. What all Yuva? They are it is rotting.
On one hand, when the BJP is trying to expose the alleged scam, the Home Minister, Dr. G. Parameshwar, he says that permission will not be given for BJP to conduct the Padayatra. How will you do it then?
In a democratic system, it is his duty. All the elected representative, the people, when they are going on a Padayatra as a political party or as a citizen, it is a duty of the government, to give permission, to protect, to ensure safety, security and coordination. Why are they hesitating? I don't know. It is not their private property. It is not their private property, Home Minister. It is not your private property. It is not personal decision. It's in the interest of the public. In the democracy, it is fair. And you talk about the preamble. You talk about the rights, privileges. What is preventing you? What is preventing you from allowing a political party? It is a right and a privilege of all citizens and party to be allowed to go on a Padayatra. What restriction? Why are you hesitating? It's not fair on your part. Please do give permission, allow and ensure the entire coordination. Nothing should come. You have got your own issue. You do Padayatra. You say what you want. You justify. Whatever is your from point of view, you can make your statements.
Even if permission is denied, is the BJP determined to conduct the Padayatra?
Yes, already with regard to this aspect, our party, state party president, BJP party president and leader of the opposition have given already clear statement with regard to whether they give or not. We'll go ahead and is the signal been given by the party, Mr. Vijayendra and R. Ashok.
Thank you, sir.